Hello students, let us evaluate another answer script of Mock 1 English Literature and Language subject code 184. The CBSE sample question paper has been used, and let us use one strategy, that is to identify one star and three wishes, that is one good quality, giving one good quality and giving three suggestions to the candidate for improvement. You can see in all the areas the candidate needs a lot of suggestion, help and support of the peers for improvement. And when you give suggestions and improvement, you improve more than the candidate who's receiving your suggestion. Let us see, the question number is missing, the sub question number is there, but the literal option number literal is missing. This will definitely not help the candidate fetch answers. So give your suggestions. What strategy should the person use in order to improve and develop it as a practice, so the candidate shouldn't miss out writing the question numbers correctly or the literals correctly. This is continued as a practice, that the main question number is not written by the candidate, and then give suggestions how the candidate can overcome these kind of common errors, how to improve the reading skills. What strategies do you suggest for reading the passage? Do you suggest marking or labeling or picking information while reading is in progress? Or do you suggest the strategy of eliminating the incorrect options and narrowing down the search to the most appropriate answers? Give your suggestions for improvement in general. The candidate will definitely value and practice the suggestions given. Give suggestions how a candidate can overcome errors in literature. Should you suggest reading the textbook, or reading and underlining, or reading and underlining and writing? What is your suggestion to improve in grammar? In writing, how do you suggest the candidate should practice for improvement? Is writing SHO correct? The police station, which police station, the address, the recipient's address is completely incomplete and vague. The subject should be just three words, not a complete sentence or a paragraph, and it should be after the salutation, the name of the person who's writing the letter. The person should introduce himself or herself. I, hereby a respected member of Satyanagar colony, am writing. The structure is completely inappropriate. As long as if you place a comma, then definitely I and remaining can I am can match, and remaining can be a subordinate clause. But mentioning the name is definitely essential. Such situations, these kind of words, vague words, should be avoided while writing. Corrections, look at the written corrections already pointed out. Give your suggestions how the candidate should work in order to improve. This is a very common error made by the students. The CBSE gives two names as a suggestion, one for a girl, one for a boy. If you are a boy, pick only the name of the boy and sign as Tarun in running letters and Tarun in capital letters. I'll write one to give you an idea. If you are Tarun, you should have written Tarun in running letters. This would have become the signature, and then you should have written Tarun in capital letters. And this should have been in brackets. Kindly give more suggestions to the candidate for improvement. Opening paragraph or the opening sentence for literature, the citations. This kind of restating of the story will not fetch marks in CBSE grade 10 examinations. CBSE answer key in the CBSE answer key it is very clearly stated that textual citations are a must. Give suggestions. You may give look at the pointers where B is in capital. This is completely mistakes in error and expression. When the opening line is missing, what prose it is it a drama? What is it? That is to be pointed out, without which you are actually challenging the examiner to guess which question you have selected, which prose or which poem on which prose you are commenting. And if there are no textual citations, it is very clear that the candidate has not studied for the examinations and thus the marks should be low. Re-narrating the story is not expected as a literature response. Re-narrating of the story might be a reading comprehension, but in literature, the person has to comment, the candidate has to comment on the literary aspect, whether it is the conflict in the story or it is the kind of literary devices or something used in language. Say, for example, irony is used. The candidate is expected to comment and criticize, justify with textual citations, and write an answer spontaneously, which is quite challenging. If a candidate has not been practicing to write answers or a literary response, the candidate may not score in the literature section. Therefore, kindly suggest what how this candidate should study in order to overcome the loss of marks in literature. We can see overall the candidate has scored very say in single digits, whereas the marks allocated for the literature subjective is 30 marks. So kindly suggest how the candidate can improve in the literature section. Restating the story will definitely not help. When you give suggestions to the candidate, you are the one who benefits more than the candidate. Kindly give your suggestions 1 star and 3 wishes. That means identify one good quality in this answer script and give 3 areas of suggestions. If you can give modeled answers and responses, that will be extremely helpful to the candidate. Thank you very much for your kind attention.